How to bulk delete emails in Outlook. This tutorial shows you how to delete multiple emails at once on your Android device. First, open the Outlook app on your Android device. After that, go to the inbox or folder where the emails you want to delete are stored. From there, long press on any one email to enter selection mode. At this point, once you're in selection mode, tap on any other emails you want to include in the deletion. And the next step, if you want to select everything at once, tap on Select All at the top of the screen. Following this, once all your desired emails are selected, tap on the bin or delete icon to remove them all in one go. Finally, confirm the deletion if prompted, and all selected emails will be permanently deleted from your inbox. And that's it. If this Outlook guide helped you clean up your inbox quickly, give it a like. Subscribe for more Android tutorials and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.